Hello dear students, welcome to Lucky Tutorials. My name is Lakshman Singh Hajeri. So now on our channel alli second chapter, that is electric potential and capacitance chapter ಇಂದ important numericals ನ solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Already 3 important numericals ನ solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. One more important numerical. Okay, ಈ question most of the time repeated question ಆಗಿದೆ. So let us move to the question. In a parallel plate capacitor with a air between the plates, each plate has an area of 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square and the distance between the plates is 3 millimeter. Calculate the capacitance. If this capacitor is connected to 100 volt supply, what is the charge on each plate of the capacitor? If the space between the plates completely filled with the dielectric medium of a dielectric constant K is equal to 6, what will be the new capacitance? ಈ questions ನಾವು correct ಆಗಿ read ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ we need to calculate three important points ನ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First point, if there is air between the parallel plate capacitor, then what is the capacitance of that capacitor? Capacitor the capacitance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. Then what is the charge on each plate when it is connected to 100 volt supply? 100 volt supply ಗೆ connect ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what is the charge on each plate ಮೇಲೆ charges ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So that is second point. Again, when dielectric medium is introduced, ಎರಡು parallel plate middle dielectric medium introduce ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then what is the new capacitance? Capacitor the new capacitance ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? So there are 3 points we need to calculate. So first point ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, first of all, given values A is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Again, distance between the two plates is 3 millimeter. It is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Again, voltage supplied is 100 volt. Epsilon naught value is constant value, that is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad per meter. Okay, so now question understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So there is a parallel plate capacitor. Again, ಎರಡು plate middle distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? So this distance D is 3 millimeter. Okay, distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 millimeter. Two plates middle between distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 millimeter. Again, it is connected to voltage 100 volt supply. 100 volt supply ಗೆ connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Again, the area of a plate, each plate is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. So this is the area on each plate. So each plate na first point is capacitance of this capacitor when air is in between the two plates. Plate middle air iddaga what is the capacitance? We know capacitance formula namge gottide, that is C is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D. Epsilon naught is constant value, permeability. Again, A is the area of these plates, D is nothing but distance between the two plates. Okay, values already given ಇದೆ. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. It is C is equal to epsilon naught value is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into area is given 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by distance between these two plates is also given, it is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ values ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get capacitance as 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 11 farad. Okay, so this is the capacitance of the capacitor when air is in between two plates. Okay, so note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. next question ನ rub ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು 2 points ನ calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ, that is charge on the each plate and if dielectric medium is introduced, then what is the new capacitance? Okay, next point. So capacitance of the capacitor when air is in between the capacitor is 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 11 farad. This month. Next, charge on the each plate calculate ಮಾಡುದು. So we know the formula. Charge on the each plate is nothing but C into V. C is the capacitance of the capacitor, V is the voltage supply. So it is equal to capacitance already calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. It is 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 100. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the value will be 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 9. It is nothing but a charge on each capacitor. 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. So iದೇನಿದು charge on the each capacitor. So next point is when dielectric medium is inserted between the plates. So if it is the capacitor, in between the capacitor ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, dielectric medium ನ introduce ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ with the dielectric constant 6. Okay, again it is connected to battery of voltage 100. Okay, ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ what is the capacitance of the capacitor? So capacitance of the capacitor is C dash. Now introduce ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ capacitance ನ C dash ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is equal to, so capacitance is nothing but given dielectric constant ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ K into capacitance of a capacitor when air is in between, it is C. Okay, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Capacitance of the capacitor is 6 into C value is 1.77 into 10 raised to minus 11. So C dash na calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ C dash ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 10.62 into 10 raised to minus 11 farad. So it is the capacitance of a capacitor when dielectric medium is inserted in between the two parallel plate capacitors. Okay, thank you.